and welcome everyone in Dying Light the Beast game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the quality of reflections in this game, so stay with me and enjoy watching. It's not gonna be surprise, but at first you have to open the settings, so to do it press the O button on your keyboard or click here on options, then move to the video settings and press F or click here on advanced video settings. Then you have to scroll down to the very bottom of these settings to find the reflections quality. So it controls obviously the reflection quality, and you can choose from the low amount, medium to high, depends of your own preferences and how good is your PC. Obviously if you choose the high amount, then you will have the best reflections quality that is possible in this game. So it is worth to activate it, because let me tell you, this game is beautiful and it's worth to play on the maximum graphics video settings that is possible. Thanks for watching, that would be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!